In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk SMS in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the exact flow from selecting your audience to composing and sending your message so you can confidently deliver a campaign to many contacts at once. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account and head to your location's dashboard. On the left sidebar, open Contacts. This is where your smart lists live and where bulk sending begins. If you need to narrow your audience, apply your usual filters first. Then, at the top of the list, use the main checkbox to select the contacts you want included. You can select the visible page or all contacts that match your filters. With your contacts selected, click Send Email in the toolbar. A confirmation will appear. Choose Confirm and proceed to continue. You'll see a setup screen. Start by giving the send an action name. Pick something descriptive so you can find it easily in reports later. Next, fill in the From name and From email fields, then add a compelling subject and a concise pre-header. These details help recipients recognize and engage with your message. Click Create Email to open the composer. You'll have a few ways to build your content. Quick Compose for a fast plain text style, from Smart Builder for guided layouts, or select existing template to reuse something you've already designed. For this walkthrough, choose Quick Compose. In the message editor, type your content clearly and keep it focused. Personalize where appropriate and make sure your copy aligns with your brand voice and compliance standards. Now decide how you want to deliver the campaign. Under Mode, you'll see three options. Send All at Once delivers immediately to everyone in your selection. Send All at Scheduled Time lets you pick a future time, which is useful for timing across time zones. Send in Batch Mode throttles delivery in chunks to reduce spikes and can help with deliverability. For our example, select Send All at Once. Before sending, open additional settings to review any advanced options that matter for your account. It's also a good idea to use test emails to preview formatting and links in your own inbox before the real send. When everything looks right, check the consent confirmation box, acknowledging that your contacts have agreed to hear from you, that you've engaged them within the last year, and that the list isn't sourced from a third party. Finally, click Send Email to launch your bulk send. That's it. Your campaign is on its way, and you can monitor results from your GoHighLevel reporting.